Truck lovers, buckle up. Today we're diving into a battle of the giants, Nordic trucks versus European trucks. Yeah, they may share the same roads, but these machines are built entirely in different worlds. What sets them apart? Which one reigns supreme? Don't worry, we're breaking it down by design, performance, reliability, and adaptability. Nordic trucks are beasts built to conquer harsh winters, icy roads, and extreme conditions. European trucks, on the other hand, are engineered for precision, efficiency, and navigating the dense, fast-moving highways of the continent. So, which truck is the real king of the road? Stay tuned as we dissect the engineering, power, and resilience of these mechanical titans. Now let's hit the road and find out. When you think of Nordic trucks, two names stand tall: Scania and Volvo. The two powerhouses dominate the roads in Sweden, Norway, Finland, and Denmark, where trucking isn't just a job, it's a battle against nature. Imagine endless stretches of frozen highways, temperatures plunging below -30 degrees Celsius, and roads blanketed in snow and ice for months on end. In these extreme conditions, ordinary trucks wouldn't stand a chance. That's why Nordic trucks are built like warriors, rugged, durable, and ready to handle whatever the Arctic throws at them. Now, reliability isn't just a feature, it's a necessity. Breakdowns in the middle of nowhere? Not an option. Nordic trucks are designed to endure, adapt, and keep moving no matter how brutal the journey. Whereas European trucks are the kings of adaptability, built to dominate everything from the high-speed German autobahn to the tight, winding streets of Italian villages. Unlike their Nordic counterparts, which battle ice, snow, and relentless cold, European trucks are designed for efficiency, comfort, and precision engineering. Because in Europe, every drop of fuel and every inch of space matters. Ruling the charge is Mercedes-Benz, the gold standard on luxury trucking, with high-tech driver assistance systems and fuel-saving innovations. MAN trucks, German-born and built to last, offer a perfect blend of powerhouse. DAF is all about maximizing payload while keeping costs low, while Iveco, Italy's pride, is pushing the boundaries of sustainability with cutting-edge alternative fuel engines. But what truly sets European trucks apart? It's their ability to conquer a continent. These machines weave through London traffic, glide across Swiss mountain passes, and power through scorching Spanish highways, all while staying fuel efficient and meeting some of the world's strictest emissions regulations. In Europe, trucking isn't just about brute force, it's about precision, economy, and comfort. Enduring drivers can haul long distances without breaking a sweat. When we talk of trucking engineering and design, Nordic trucks are in a league of their own. They are specifically designed to dominate the unforgiving landscapes of Scandinavia. These monsters don't just transport cargo. They battle through blizzards, glide over black ice, and power up steep, frozen inclines where lesser trucks would falter. Strength is in their DNA. Unlike their counterparts built for smoother highways, Nordic trucks are engineered with reinforced chassis and heavy-duty components, ensuring they can handle extreme stress over long distances. When the temperature drops to bone-chilling levels and roads become nothing more than snow-covered trails, these trucks rely on advanced traction control systems to grip the icy terrain and keep moving forward. Surviving Nordic winters isn't just about brute strength, it's about smart design. That's why these trucks come equipped with heated windshields, powerful heating systems, and de-icing side mirrors, ensuring drivers can see clearly and stay warm no matter how fierce the storm. Some even feature specialized snowplows, allowing them to clear their own path when the roads just disappear under thick blankets of snow. But what truly sets these machines apart is their raw power. With high-torque engines capable of pulling massive payloads across treacherous landscapes, Nordic trucks are the lifeline of industries like timber, mining, and Arctic logistics. When it comes to European trucks, though, it's all about precision, performance, and driver experience. Unlike their Nordic counterparts built for brutal winters and rugged terrain, European trucks are masterfully designed for efficiency, safety, and adaptability. These machines dominate highways and urban routes, balancing power with sustainability and comfort. One of the biggest game changers in European truck design is aerodynamics. Manufacturers like Mercedes-Benz, MAN, DAF, and Iveco craft their trucks with sleek, wind-cutting exteriors to maximize fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. In an industry where fuel costs make or break profit, these trucks are designed to go farther on less. However, efficiency isn't just about aerodynamics. Technology also plays a crucial role. These trucks are designed with cutting-edge driver assistance systems, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking. These features don't just enhance safety, they reduce driver fatigue, making long hauls smoother and safer. Now, flexibility is another defining factor. With modular designs, these trucks can be configured for any job, from refrigerated deliveries to heavy-duty construction transport, whatever the industry demands. European trucks adapt seamlessly. Now let's talk about comfort. In Europe, where truckers spent long hours on the road, cab design is as important as performance. Spacious interiors, premium seating, and state-of-the-art infotainment, and even built-in sleeping quarters turn these trucks into a second home on wheels. In European trucking, it's not just about reaching the destination. It's about getting there in safety and comfort. You ever wondered why a Volvo truck in Norway looks and feels different from a Mercedes-Benz hauler in Germany? It's not just about branding, it's about purpose-built engineering. Nordic roads, though? Think icy hills, remote routes, and unpredictable terrain. That's why Scania and Volvo trucks come with reinforced leaf springs or air suspensions, designed to absorb extreme shocks and keep loads stable even in the harshest conditions. European trucks, however, cruise through well-paved highways and dense city networks, focusing on air suspension systems that adjust to load weight, making rides smoother and fuel efficient. When it comes to engines, Nordic trucks rely on brute strength. Their high-torque diesel engines are built to haul heavy loads up mountains, through snow, and across frozen landscapes. Meanwhile, European trucks prioritize fuel economy with smaller turbocharged engines and hybrid options, meeting strict EU emission standards while ensuring top performance. And what about the cab? If you're driving through -30°C blizzards, you need a heated, insulated fortress, which Nordic trucks deliver. European trucks, on the other hand, focus on luxury, spacious interiors, ergonomic seats, and cutting-edge infotainment. From a performance perspective, Nordic trucks aren't just built to drive, they're built to survive. Designed for the harshest conditions, these machines conquer snow-covered roads, icy mountain passes, and rugged off-road terrain without breaking a sweat. When it comes to off-road capabilities, Nordic giants like Volvo and Scania come equipped with advanced traction control, differential locks, and reinforced suspensions. Whether it's navigating a frozen logging road or hauling goods through remote Arctic towns, these trucks keep moving where others would be stranded. And speaking of hauling, Nordic trucks are powerhouses built for extreme loads. They handle timber, mining equipment, and massive freights with ease. Their high-torque engines deliver relentless pulling power, ensuring that even the heaviest cargo makes it to its destination, no matter how challenging the journey. Then there's cold weather that can cripple a vehicle. But not these trucks. Nordic brands prioritize winterized components such as heated fuel lines, insulated engine blocks, and powerful auxiliary heaters, ensuring smooth startups and operation even in -40°C temperatures. No matter how brutal the winter gets, Nordic trucks keep moving, proving their dominance in some of the toughest conditions on Earth. Now, let's shift gears and talk about European trucks. Sleek, efficient, and built for the fast-paced highways and intricate city streets of Europe, if Nordic trucks are the kings of endurance, European trucks are the masters of precision. Fuel efficiency is a major priority in European truck design. With strict emissions regulations in place, manufacturers focus on aerodynamic builds, lightweight materials, and cutting-edge fuel-saving technology. The result? Trucks that go the extra mile literally on less fuel, reducing both cost and environmental impact. But it's not just about saving fuel. European trucks are engineered for maneuverability. Picture a truck navigating through narrow streets of Paris, or squeezing through traffic in London. This is where these machines excel. With tight turning radiuses, responsive handling, and smart driver assist systems like lane keeping and adaptive cruise control, they make urban logistics a breeze. And when it comes to long-haul performance, European trucks are built for speed and agility. Smooth highway cruising, quick acceleration, and advanced transmission systems make for effortless long-distance travel. Whether tackling the Autobahn at high speeds or rolling through the scenic countryside, these trucks ensure maximum efficiency within minimum stress. Remember, trucks aren't just machines. They're the lifeline of industries, moving everything from groceries to heavy machinery across cities, countries, and even continents. But not all trucks are built the same. If you've ever wondered why a massive Scania or Volvo dominates the icy roads of the north while a sleek Mercedes or MAN rules the highways of Europe, the answer lies in their design. Acceleration is a key difference. Nordic trucks aren't meant to take off like race cars. They're built for strength, whether hauling timber through the Arctic or climbing steep, snow-covered hills. These trucks focus on torque and steady power rather than speed. European trucks, however, are designed for efficiency, zipping through highways and city streets with smooth gear shifts and faster acceleration, making deliveries quicker and easier. Then there's fuel economy. Nordic trucks have massive fuel tanks to survive long, isolated routes without frequent stops, while European trucks are fine-tuned for maximum efficiency, reducing fuel consumption and emissions to meet strict regulations. every liter counts when navigating busy motorways or making cross-country deliveries. And let's talk about maneuverability. If you've ever tried to park a truck or even a car in a tight space, you'll appreciate why European trucks have smaller turning radius. Designed for congested cities and narrow roads, they make tight turns look easy. Nordic trucks? They're built to conquer rough terrain, prioritizing traction and stability over control. Nordic trucks aren't just built, they're engineered for survival. When you're hauling tons of cargo across frozen landscapes, through blizzards, over rugged, icy roads, there's no room for mechanical failure. That's why durability is at the heart of every Nordic truck. These machines are designed to endure relentless punishment, with reinforced chassis, powerful drivetrains, and components that can take a beating without breaking down. Whether it's deep snow, freezing temperatures, or long, isolated stretches of road, these trucks keep moving. But reliability isn't just about toughness. It's about smart engineering. Nordic trucks are built for ease of maintenance because, in extreme conditions, downtime isn't an option. Mechanics can access key components quickly, and many systems are designed to be repaired on-site, reducing the need for lengthy service stops. Long service intervals also means drivers can cover more ground without worrying about constant checkups. Perhaps the most impressive part? Their longevity. Some Nordic trucks remain in operation for decades, racking up millions of kilometers. They don't just transport goods, they become part of the landscape, trusted workhorses that owners rely on year after year. In the toughest conditions on Earth, these trucks don't just survive, they thrive. While on the other hand, European trucks are built for efficiency, and that extends far beyond just fuel economy. These machines are packed with advanced diagnostics that take the guesswork out of troubleshooting. Imagine having a truck that can detect an issue before it even becomes a problem. Modern European trucks do just that. With onboard sensors and computer-assisted monitoring, drivers and fleet managers get real-time updates on performance, ensuring small issues don't turn into costly breakdowns. But what truly sets European trucks apart is their extensive service network. Whether you're driving through Germany, France, or Spain, you're never too far from a service center, stocked with parts and expert mechanics. This means minimal downtime and faster repairs, keeping businesses moving and deliveries on schedule. Preventative maintenance is also a major focus. European manufacturers designed these trucks with longevity in mind, integrating systems that actively work to reduce wear and tear. Regular software updates, optimize engine performance, and automated service reminders keep the trucks moving at peak efficiency. And the result? A fleet that stays on the road longer, operates smoother, and ultimately saves money in the long run. These trucks aren't just about getting from point A to B, they're designed to keep businesses thriving. Every trucker has faced that moment. The dreaded breakdown in the middle of nowhere or the frustrating engine warning light just as you're about to hit the road. But what actually goes wrong and how often? Nordic trucks built for endurance are designed to survive extreme cold, heavy snow, and rough terrain. But even these beasts have their weak spots. The most common failures? Frozen air systems, worn-out brake components, and battery drain due to relentless sub-zero temperatures. When your truck is pushing through an Arctic blizzard, even the toughest parts take a beating. European trucks, on the other hand, are all about precision and efficiency. They glide effortlessly across highways and maneuver through tight city streets. But their weaknesses lie in their complexity. Turbochargers, electronic sensors, and emission control systems tend to be the first to cause problems. With strict EU regulations pushing for cleaner emissions and better fuel economy, these trucks are packed with advanced tech. But more tech means more things that can go wrong. A clogged DPF or malfunctioning EGR valve can leave a driver dealing with an unexpected downtime. And then there's the question of service intervals. Nordic trucks built for long, isolated routes are designed to go longer between major services. They're meant to survive in areas where the nearest repair shop could be hundreds of miles away. European trucks constantly fine-tuning performance require more frequent maintenance to keep their high-tech systems running smoothly. Nordic and European trucks each have their strengths, shaped by the environments they navigate. Nordic trucks are built for endurance, tackling icy roads, harsh terrain, and extreme temperatures with unmatched durability. European trucks, in contrast, focus on efficiency, integrated advanced technology for fuel economy, smoother navigation, and regulatory compliance. While Nordic trucks excel in their reliability under brutal conditions, European models prioritize comfort and precision. Choosing between them depends on your needs. Do you require sheer toughness or refined performance? Let us know down in the comments section which one you'd pick and why. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of heavy-duty transport.